We're off the ground. You doing okay?
Yeah.
Falcon Tower helicopter 86 Lima Hotel at the Riley hangars. We'd like to join the Yankee 1 pattern if we could. We have Yankee.
Helicopter 86 Lima Hotel, Falcon Tower, use caution for another helicopter on the Echo ramp in the Yankee 1 pattern and report on the go each time. Approved discussing.
Looking for traffic, reporting on the go each time. Helicopter 86 Lima Hotel.
Helicopter 2 Uniform Hotel, traffic departing Riley hangars, north hangars with the green roofs, and we'll be joining the Yankee 1 pattern.
Looking for that traffic, helicopter 2 Uniform Hotel. Traffic inside 2 Uniform Hotel.
There's all the Apaches. See them?
Yeah.
Right in front of us. Okay, we're going to go ahead and just loop around here and get in our pattern. Looking for traffic, and I don't see anything, so we're good. Okay, there he goes, so he's out of our way. The little yellow Robbie. You're what? You okay?
Yeah.
Helicopter 2 Uniform Hotel on the go.
Helicopter 2 Uniform Hotel, approved discussing.
Hey, to me this is the scariest part, but once we do that, we don't have to do it for a long time. Nobody out there, looking good. Noises are normal. That's what it sounds like every time. And we're going to go way down the end so that this guy can come in behind us. Shake here. Now we're going to actually go ahead and set it down. How you doing? Oh, whoa. Good? You ready to go? Okay, we're going to leave then.
Okay.
I'll have to ask him. I'm going to get in the hover and then I'll ask him. Get a little more RPM here. Helicopter 86 Lima Hotel, we'd like to make a Cactus 1 departure to the northwest.
Talking to our second.
Helicopter 86 Lima Hotel, we'd like to make a Cactus 1 departure to the northwest.
Helicopter 6 Lima Hotel, Cactus 1 departure, approved. Use caution for Yankee 1 pattern traffic, left base.
Cactus 1 departure approved, helicopter 86 Lima Hotel, looking for traffic. There's a McDonnell Douglas helicopter over here. Everything's working really good. We're going to go ahead and loop around the Boeing factory here. You go right over top of their helipad here, you can see it. Down below it there.
Yeah.
They just finished that. Once in a while we get a little funny wind over this hole here. Nobody's out here. Usually right here you'd have to look out for those Apaches coming in. We got a couple of them running up down here. This is the altitude helicopters are supposed to be at when they're at the airport, so we're good there. And now we're shooting towards sky.
Normally feels?
Yeah. Why, what's wrong? You don't like the vibration, or what? Is that what's wrong?
I don't like the movement.
Oh, it's just because it's so little, and it just moves around a little.
That's what I don't like.
Yeah, I'll try to be as smooth as I can. Sometimes when you get over different surfaces on the bottom, they heat up.
Yeah.
Differently, so you'll get a little bit of difference, but in the morning it's not so bad. The afternoon, that ground starts cooking. You can see the big Westworld tent. That's the best thing that we use. It's up straight ahead.
Oh, okay.
Wind 305.
So we're still in Falcon's airspace right here until we get over the canal.
Is that a different canal over there?
Yeah. Since the dam is right there, they have two different things that come off. You can see one goes straight to the west and one goes to the north. There's the Beeline Highway. We're going about 80 miles an hour. It feels like we're going slow, but if you slowly stick your fingers out there, you'll feel how much air.
Yeah, I don't want
to. Helicopter 86 Lima Hotel, frequency change requested.
Helicopter 6 Lima Hotel, approved, discuss your flight.
Frequency change approved, Helicopter 86 Lima Hotel. So now what we're going to do is we're going to listen to Scottsdale.
Runway 21 in use. Scottsdale noise abatement procedures are in effect. Advise on initial contact you have Delta.
Delta? Sorry.
Scottsdale Fed Information Delta 1523 Zulu. Wind 160 at 7, temperature 31, dew point minus 02, altimeter 29 or 82. Visual approach, runway 21 in use. Scottsdale noise abatement procedures are in effect. Advise on initial contact you have Delta. Scottsdale Fed Information Delta 1523 Zulu. Wind 160 at 7, temperature 31, dew point minus 02, altimeter 29 or 82.
82, I'm going to change that a little bit.
21 in use.
Sorry, I'm going to do the best I can
Scottsdale noise abatement procedures are in effect. Advise on initial contact
All right.
you have Delta.
Hold on, I'll get stable before I change the radio.
Scottsdale Fed Information Delta 1523 Zulu.
Okay, I'm going to change my radio.
160 at 7.
There we go. Oops. Okay, we got it. Boy, nothing on the radio at Scottsdale.
053 traffic, 3 o'clock. 1 mile, northeastbound, 4,000, Phenom.
Let's see, Mayo.
Looking for the traffic, 535.
Oh, where?
Right here, like 1 o'clock.
Whoa!
284.
I see it.
Transport 284, squawk VFR on our left downwind runway 21.
VFR left downwind 21, translate 284.
What is that?
535.
But I don't know. It's storage water for something.
Instructions, cross over the runway, enter right downwind for runway 21. Your number 2 following a Phenom, entering a right base.
Ooh, a Phenom. So beautiful. It's a little jet.
Translate 284.
And it's really hard to see Scottsdale, so I use that tent.
Maintain under above 3,000 until dive.
That's wind there.
Above 3,000, 5353 down.
3, Scottsdale Tower.
everything about it, but you retro 353, we're with you on the visual 2-1.
Right track 3.
Okay, no warning lights. We're on the green. Looking good.
2-1, clear to land.
Right base 2-1, clear line restricted.
We're at the right altitude.
Transite 284, number 2, following Phenom, 5 to the west on right base.
Alright, looking for traffic translate 284.
Scottsdale Tower, helicopter 86 Lima Hotel, 6 miles to your southeast inbound from Falcon. We'd like to transition at midfield and continue north if we could. We have Delta.
South Scottsdale Tower transition is approved. Scottsdale altimeter 2983, report a half mile east for a midfield crossing.
We'll report half mile east for midfield crossing, helicopter 86 Lima Hotel.
Red stripe 353 traffic, 1 o'clock less than a mile northeastbound, 2,500 Archer.
All right, so now we got to cross right where the tower is, so I look for the tower.
Here left, less than a mile, red Phenom, 2,900.
I got him inside translate 284.
Transite 284, maneuver